guys? This is Sorg with Matt and Mike here. We're just coming out of the Hammerstein Ballroom, and God, holy fuck was that a show. The big news is friend of the show, Brent Albright, is your new NWA fucking champion.
He's the fat man Dusty Rhodes. He's the nature boy Ric Flair.
Yes.
He is goddamn Shane Douglas even.
You better believe we're going to be giving that guy a call and seeing about getting him on the show again.
In fucking deed. And what a match that was.
Holy fuck. Match of the night. He was bleeding. Both of them were bleeding all over the place. Him and Adam Pearce.
Match of the night. I give that to Go and Marufuji.
That's true.
He did a reverse holy flip fuck.
Holy flip fuck?
Holy flip fuck. That's what I'm calling you.
All right, I'll give you that. And of course, Nigel McGuinness kept the belt in the amazing Fatal 4-Way.
Yeah, pretty much. Motor City King retains his title.
Some great tag team action with the Motor City Machine Guns, of course. And now we're heading up. Where are we heading to?
We're heading to Brother Jimmy's.
Brother Jimmy's. We're going to get us some damn fish bowls. We're going to get a little bit of food, and we're going to have a night. It's Saturday night. We're in the Big Apple. The Mayhem of One and the Mad One. And maybe you'll see me in Pittsburgh on Monday.